Don't they all go down there first?
We had 6 in the afternoon. 2 of them were marshals. So they were playing for free, so we just told them to go home. And we offered the other 4, look, just take a half day on us at another point. There's no point playing with the 4 of them. And especially 2 of them were Paras and the 2 were commandos. So we played 1 game, the marshals were playing with them. And then we packed up and went home. And I was home by 2:30.
Brad, at one time it was only me and Charlie plays. Three plays in the afternoon, that's it.
Kicking Mustang
yeah, we won't play it.
Yeah. So for the winter,
we'll say, look guys,
or the summer,
even if you do want to play, you're not going to have any fun. You might as well take
you get many
out there?
I never bought it.
No.
So this is like the basic, this is it comes like.
Base one model,
Yeah.
I've got
I'll just done pretty well.
Yeah, it doesn't do too bad.
I just fucking hit him.
Bear in mind, I fight 5s in it, won't you? Have to cock it first.
That's exactly it. I don't know how much, you don't know how much is too much.
Yeah,
And then
you can have too much, can't you?
Yeah, if no one saw me.
Alright guys, thank you very much.
It's got a safety cap. No.
Just a tough trigger.
Very simple game mode. It won't
I can't see
take
it.
long to
Yeah, you're right, you won't. The greys.
Yeah.
One team starting on the blue wrap trees up there, one starting on the blue wrap trees down there. Your marshals have clicker counters. You come back, we give you a thumbs up. You're good to go again. Okay.
I like
Boundaries got more markers wrapped around that way. The wrap around the way around. You've got the road, and then you've got some netting that way. Stay inside of it.
So anything with markers around it, basically, stay inside.
Yeah, halfway around.
Oh, that hit him.
Halfway. No, it's team deathmatch.
I just
Go
aimed at the tree and pulled the trigger.
Yeah. Team deathmatch. Stay on the man. Kill each other.
Fucking good shot, mate.
Right. No, kill the other team.
I get shot in the face, part of the game.
Yeah, I know.
Remember, friendly fire isn't.
Yeah, if you've got a full body shot, it's just cunters, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fantastic. What side do you want to start?
If that's my only option, which
What side do you want to start?
thing that you
Can't always judge it either, like.
No, sometimes.
Armbands, you're heading down that way for me. Armbands up that way.
Where's the barrel start from?
See you in a minute.
Back here.
Or not.
Oh, wait. In a barrel.
Your mate, shot me in the neck.
Ben?
You must have slowly popped up round and fucking got there.
Yeah, go Steve.
If you get out opportunity.
No, Barry said don't.
Right.
Because apparently it's been iffy all day.
Yeah,
And he doesn't want Bradley snapping on you.
Right.
If I had the sniper, I'd hide in a bush somewhere and get a couple odd shots, but...
Ben?
No, yeah, but we don't want to risk it. Because Viking, for example, can get away with it, because he's a bush. But...
I can shoot quite fast now.
Come on. Thank you, Ghosty. It's only running at 1 joule, and it's the first one to actually get a reaction out of you as well.
1.1 joule.
No, 1.01.
Got yours. 2.2.
Show us how it shoots.
Well, actually, I reckon that's.
Considering I haven't fucked with it yet, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm cleared. Full summer, mate. I go orange.
Yeah. I'm shooting at 1.4 today. I didn't. Nope, didn't let me. Not my power. Oh, bugger.
Go!
I ain't running.
the bear's going to catch a big. Please don't shoot me while I'm running down. Shoot it! Someone just moved up to my own point there.
Barry, so it's got that, it's got torch on. Something down there had the torch on.
Well, on Bradley's side.
Yeah, up the barricade there.
They can have it on as long as they're not switching it on and off. So
No,
it's got to be
no,
on.
it's on constant. You done your ammo already, Ben?
No, I'm just taking a break. Yeah. Because I did my wrist because I held it weird.
Ben! That's how you hurt your wrist.
You know how I broke it.
I know. Too much.
No.
Keep their heads down.
Yeah, there's one just there as well.
Where did it come from?
To the left there somewhere.
Bad ghosting.